What an agent actually does. Playlist 2, Episode 1. The model never touches your files, something else does. You ask an AI agent to read a file, edit some code, run the build, and it does. So what is the language model actually doing? Here's the thing nobody tells you. The model doesn't read files. The model doesn't edit code. The model doesn't run commands. It only writes text. Think about what a language model fundamentally is. It takes text in and produces text out. That's it. It can't reach into your file system. It can't call an API. Whatever it does by producing text. And something else has to act on that text. That something else is the orchestrator. Before any of this starts, the orchestrator tells the model what tools exist, not in English. In a structured contract, a JSON schema for each tool, tool name, what it does, what arguments it takes. The model now knows, if I want to read a file, I emit text that looks exactly like this. Now the model decides it needs a tool. It does not call the tool. It produces a piece of text, a JSON object with the function name and arguments. The orchestrator catches that text, parses it, validates it against the schema, and the orchestrator, not the model, actually executes the action. The orchestrator is the part that touches your disk, your shell, your API. Then the result comes back. The orchestrator wraps it as a new message and hands it to the model. From the model's point of view, it just received more text to read. It never saw a file, it never saw an API, only text in, only text out. So remember, the model produces text, the orchestrator executes, the result comes back as text. That's the loop every AI coding agent runs, Cursor, Windsurf, Copilot, Claude Code, every one of them. And once you can see this split, everything else in this playlist makes sense because the protocols, the safeguards, the permissions, the cost, they all live in that orchestrator. The model writes text, the orchestrator does the work. Next, MCP, the universal adapter that lets any tool plug into any agent. Subscribe, we crack open every bone.